What is up, everybody? Today we're going to talk about PoWH3D program. So this is known as proof of weekend. So this is the program run on Ethereum blockchain. It has its own coin, so ERC20 Ethereum blockchain, and it is running by a smart contract. There is a team behind who is running all the ERC Ethereum blockchain smart contracts. So let's go through step by step. Step by step. This is my first day, and we're gonna go through everything about it, and this is gonna be massive. So a blockchain managed smart pyramid app in 3 dimensions, pretty much an open source simulation of what BitConnect said it was doing. So BitConnect said like they are trading behind the walls, and they was giving us the money. They have like a computer robot or something who was doing trading on their behalf and sharing the profit. It has the same concept, but they do have Bitcoin do have that blockchain thing, but this is the smart contract which is giving us masternode staking, masternode rewards, and other earning programs. We're gonna go through step by step. So next, how does that program work? Instead of taking a standard developer trading fee for ourselves, the fee is split between all holders of the token. So they have their own token which is known as POWD, the name of the token. So more token you're gonna hold, more money you're gonna earn, or more tokens you're gonna get on reward. So it is getting reward, you are getting rewarded like every hour or every 2 hour. You can see, we'll go through, and today I'm gonna invest about 2 Ethereum in this PoH3D program. So 10% of all trading volume of a cryptocurrency ever experienced is set completely aside for you, the token holder, as Ethereum to withdraw or at any time. So the money you can withdraw at any time. So there's no behind, there's no people who gonna like withdraw the money for you. You don't need to wait for your money to withdraw. All you need to do is just send the money, and you can even check on, if you are a tech guy, if you know how the smart contract works, all you need to do, just use your smart contract address, just copy paste on ethereum scan.io, and then you can see how that ethereum blockchain works, and how you are getting the money, and how you are staking your coins and all that. So open source, you can read everything about it. So smart exchange, they have their own exchange. On their exchange, you can just convert your ethereum into pwd tokens, and then you can even withdraw them right away from your pwd or your ethereum blockchain wallet on this platform, and just transfer to your own private wallet of your ethereum. So supply is equal to value. For each token added or removed from circulation, the price of the next token increase or decrease automatically by a fractional amount of Ethereum, about 10 GB. When people buy your token are worth slightly more. When they sell slightly less. Gotta have a little sadness every once in a while, so you know when the good times comes. So whenever someone gonna sell your coin, sell their coin, when they're gonna buy their coin, every time you're gonna get some reward from their fee, and by that fee you are getting the reward, like the staking reward or the masternode reward every time. So mining, you can go through with all that. We're gonna go on staking. In addition to mining, you can stake 5 of your own token to create the first Ethereum masternode. So what they are saying, you need to stake your at least 5 tokens. So one token right now is 0.0033 Ethereum. So in USD dollars, like $1 and 15 cents. So yeah, so at least one token, so 5 coins you need to stake in that program, 5 POW coins, and then you can start rewarding from masternodes. So this is, owning a masternode gives you a unique link to a website that the smart contract recognizes. Anyone buying into the contract via your link has 33 of all fees would otherwise pay into the contract directly to you, instead as instant Ethereum gains. So what they are saying, if you are giving your own referral link or your own platform link to someone else, to your family or to your friend or somewhere else, if you are using my link, I'll be getting 33% of whatever you're going to invest. But my plan is I'm not going to take all the 33%. What my plans are, I'm going to share 16.5 to me and 16.5 to you. So what all I'm asking to you to do is, just if you want to use my link, you can use my link. I'm gonna put it in the description. What you can do, once you gonna use my link, after purchasing your tokens, after staking them, just send me that email. I'm gonna mention my email ID in the description. Just send me your um, send me a send me a transaction ID or some description, like I have rewarded, I have invested at that time and this is my amount, and send me your Ethereum address of your wallet, so I can give you your 16.5% back to you. So that's how gonna, so it's gonna be pretty well, so you can earn something and I can earn something, right? So this is the active income component of our contract. Will let you build your own network that pays you instantly. Yes, our staking and mining system are comedic jabs and all that. You can go through and read everything about that and withdraw at any time. So this is the smart contract, your new robo accounting buddy, holds all Ethereum ever put into purchasing these tokens and will gluefully give you all Ethereum you are owned whenever you want to withdraw from your passive income or sell your token, you weak handful. They are pretty much funny too, right? So all they are saying, so as I said, they are just using the smart contract from Ethereum blockchain. So they have their smart exchange. We're gonna go through into the next step, right? And I gonna invest the money from there, from their smart exchange. You can just get your money, get your rewards, or get your Ethereum coins right away from your wallet to your wallet, and it's gonna be instant. And we're gonna go through after the next step. So Spark Notes, you can read about it after that. And so in this contract, there is already 300 Ethereum in the system. So 3,500 transaction, 50 Ethereum volume from last 24 hour, and 10 memes per hour. So we're gonna try their exchange. You can read about everything. They have their own app thing. They are just talking about the advisory board and all that. So this is the guy who we know, that Vitalik, who built the Ethereum coin, and this is John McAfee. So start trading now. So we're gonna check out their exchange. So this is their exchange. It is known as exchange.powh.io. So from that we're gonna so yeah, so the first step, if you need to invest the money in this one, or you need to have the MetaMask. So if you don't know the MetaMask, make sure you check some YouTube videos how to use the MetaMask Chrome extension or the MetaMask wallet for buying some coins. So first you need to set up the MetaMask first, and you have to have some Ethereum. So today I'm gonna buy 2 Ethereum worth of PoWH coins. So let's go through and we're gonna buy the coins right now. So from there, so we're gonna go 2 point, how much we have, 2.019. So I'll go exact 2 because I have to pay some fee as well. So approximately I'm gonna get 573. So it is known as P3D tokens. So 573 tokens. So once I gonna click here, my MetaMask gonna open by itself. So I can see so 2 Ethereum worth of 1,043 and $43 USD dollars. So this is the unit and this is the fee. I gonna pay around 4 because I want my transaction to go through little faster. So I'll go maybe 6, right? So 57 fee and 2 Ethereum. I'll go 10 maybe. So now, so two around Ethereum, and this is the fee, and we're gonna submit. So once we're gonna submit, we can check our smart contract. So let it load up right now. So now we can see the live purchases by some other people. So 1 minute ago somebody purchased of 0.75 Ethereum worth of coins, so he got 215 coins, P3D coins. So once we gonna click on that transaction history, so it will open up the Ethereum scan. So now we can see everything is going on smart contract. So on the staking, so this is the link I gonna drop on the description, and I'll, as I said, I'll mention my email ID as well. Once you buy those tokens, once you master those tokens, once you oh, okay, so I already got those tokens. So yeah, so once you use my link, make sure you send me the transaction ID when you purchase it, so we can share our profit. So 16%, I'll send back you your 16% for sure. So now we can see on holding, I have the token which is 573.2419, which is worth of 1.62, and which is $848. And now you are thinking why I am having like so less Ethereum right here, because I sent them two, right? So the reason behind it, they already said they're gonna charge about 10% fees every time you're gonna invest, and that 10% fees gonna reward to every single person who is investing in this staking or masternode program, right? So that's the reason they have already took about 10%. Not exact 10%, sometimes it's like lesser, because if I'm getting like 10% fees, they are charging me like 200. So they were, yeah, it's about yeah, for sure, because I send them a 1000, right? So they charge me is about 9.8 or something percentages, so which is pretty much good, because everybody should get reward on these. So this is my token which is already on the staking, and this is my dividends. So right now I just put the money, I already received about 0.0693 my dividend from that, right? So once I gonna refresh after 1 or 2 hour, it should be high, because I I supposed to get, yeah, you just see, right, it just went up. It was about 0.05, right now it's 0.2767 or something. So this is the transaction ID I just sent them, right? So we can click on that and I can see my transaction on Ethereum blockchain. So 16 block already confirmed 2 minutes ago, and success already. So these are the people behind who was talking about the updates, right? The first public release is finally live. So this is the live thing they're talking about, because they used to have the another side which was their alpha site. So this is the beta version for PWD. And yeah, this is pretty much is. And make sure you check everything you can. Yeah, this is the main thing. So yeah, once you are on that exchange thing, you can click on Explorer, so you can check their own. They have their own smart contract address, right? So now we can see how many transaction has been done into their own contract address, and how many tokens they are holding, and how many transactions, how many tokens holders are there. So right now, if we go on read smart contract, we can see they have built their own smart contract. That's why they have their own numeric on it, right? And this is their smart contract source. So now we can see there is a team behind it who has built the smart contract and have done all the codings by themselves, and which is pretty much good. The according to me, there is there isn't much risk on it because there's no people behind it, because this is done on smart contract blockchain thing, right? So which is pretty much easy, and you no need to wait for things to be done. It can be done like right away, because I just send the money and the money is just show up right away. If I want to withdraw some money, I can withdraw right away because there is a button. Where is it? So yeah, there is another thing to talk about. So if you want to reinvest the same money you are getting the rewards from, so I have the, so this is the tokens I have in my wallet, or in my masternode wallet, or in my staking wallet. So this is the reward I am getting from my staking, right? So this is the money I have right now. If I want to reinvest, all I can do, I just click on reinvest. It's gonna say me, it's gonna open up the pop-up thing again, right? That the same master metamask thing. It's gonna say this is the unit, this is the GVI fees, and this is that, and you can submit it, and it's gonna reinvest the same money back into my staking wallet. It's gonna just buy me the same token. So by worthing of 0.0010, I'll get 0.2767 P3D tokens. Once I get these tokens, it gonna automatically getting me those masternode rewards by itself. And what else? So trade, they are still working on some things. So yeah, so here's another thing, how we can sell those tokens. So right now I have 573 tokens, right? Once I click on this, click on sell, I can click 573.2419, which gonna give me 1.6296, and the price for P3D token right now is 0.0035 Ethereum per token. So this is the Ethereum money I'm gonna get from my 573 tokens once I gonna sell them. Hold on guys, let me push my charger back on. So yeah, so once I gonna click on once I gonna submit, once I gonna type my 573 tokens right here, I can click on sell. I gonna get this money over here, so I can withdraw right away, and it's gonna be done on smart contract. So there is no wait time, it's gonna be done right away. So according to me, this is the good platform, and uh, probably I should recommend those guys, because this is just the newbie, just the newest program, and this is the first program who is done on a smart contract, I think, and you won't be able to find any other program just like that. And so I think this is the worth to investing on this program. So, and the last thing is, like, make sure you subscribe my channel, make sure you like the video, make sure you comment underneath, so I can response you for your any questions, and response gonna be done right away. And make sure you, if you wanna use my link, make sure you send me the detail, if you, how much money you have spent on this program and how much Ethereum you have spent, so we can do 50-50 sharing together. So I'll give you your 15.5 or something, so I'll keep 15.5 by myself. So yeah, make sure you subscribe my channel, subscribe and sorry, like to this video, and hope to see you next video with the new updates. See ya. Bye bye.